Alright guys, so the Agent 301 airdrop is currently one of the first set of airdrops that I personally joined since last year, guys. Now, during the time of Hamster Combat, Tap Swap and the rest, this very project actually sprouted out, guys, and people were really excited and they jumped on this project. Right now, this project is basically coming to an end because they've announced certain things right now in their Telegram community that hints that every single thing right now would be coming to an end very soon, guys. Personally, they've actually stated that the next step right now is TGE, which is currently the token generation event, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys right now 3 things that the project has told us to go ahead and do right now to basically keep our tokens safe. Right, they stated that they will be burning every single tokens right now if we don't basically right now qualify for this very airdrop. So I will share with you guys those 3 criteria that they've actually stated and how we can basically secure our coins right now. So go ahead right now and give this video a thumbs up if you actually love videos like this, and if you are new, probably see my face for the first time, consider clicking that red subscribe button right now so that you stay updated whenever there's currently a new update like this. Right now, without talking too much, let's go ahead and let's just delve right into the video, starting right now. Alright guys, so back to the video. Every single thing started from February 9th, guys, when they went ahead to drop this very image right here. Just did a quick breakdown on how they want to actually share out some of these airdrops right now to you and I. Right, they stated here that they'll be giving out a total of 100%, right, but only 76%, a whooping 76%, will be going to you and I, those who basically participated in the airdrop, and also their locations right now, guys, based on their quantity, is going to be large for those of us that basically participated and ultimately qualify for this very airdrop. Although they'll be giving out about 15% to their team and then 9% right now to their strategic support right here, guys, basically those partners and those who basically promoted the project and all. Right now, when they dropped this right here, everyone was super happy, and the question now arose, when will basically come up? Right, when is every single thing right here, that is, when is the TGE, the token generation event, when is it going to actually come up? They've gone ahead to break things down. They've told us that they'll be giving a whooping amount of percentage to you and I, but when is this going to happen? Right now, they went ahead also, guys, on February 19th to drop this very image, and if you go ahead and look at it, you'll see it here, guys, that they were setting check marks right here that show that they've completed everything they want to do: their white paper creation, their token development, right, their technical implementation, and also they are now on this phase that is called final. And as you guys can see, there's no check mark here, so it means that this is what they are currently working on. And if you scroll to the left, you'll notice, like I said, that obviously this project is going to be listed under the Thorn blockchain right here, and the root match. Mind you, all of this information was dropped on February 19th. So the root match is the date, right? So now let's watch closely right here. If you now scroll up once again, you notice that they went ahead to drop another picture. You guys already know that airdrops like this, they like dropping hints here and there to their community. Left for us right now to go ahead and figure out what they are saying. Now, when they drop this picture, on the 1st of March, or let's just say the 2nd of March, just like they stated. And what did they write here? Look it up. It shows here Thorn Airlines. This is just kind of like a meme, right? You can see gate 7, right? The flight is Agent 301. The date is 31st of March. And what is going to be happening on the 31st of March, the destination is the TGE, right? That is what is stated here. So what this simply means right here is that on the 31st of March, they will be having their token generation event right here, guys. Basically, when they saw this, everyone was super happy once again. Now, if you scroll up, you notice right here, guys, that on March 31st, the TGE is supposed to happen right on March 31st, but look things up right here. Look at what they wrote here. If you actually click on this picture, you're going to see it here that it says here bot searching. Obviously you guys already know that when projects like this are about to list, people start creating different accounts right now. They try to basically just jump into this project massively. So what the project actually did right here is that they noticed that lots and lots of users just went ahead to create multiple accounts, and so they started fishing those accounts out. You can see it here, bot searching, 122 bots have already been found and all. So they dropped this important information on March 31st. It stated here, an important stage has been passed. The total supply of the token is 100 million AP. That's agent points. That's the coin right now that we have all been farming. This is most likely what is going to be listing, their ticker, right? It says here, in the meantime, there's a very little time left before the listing. We will clean our mini app from bots and inflated coins. All violators would be zeroed out and banned. After clearing the mini app, we will begin distributing the coins in the blockchain, which you will now be able to withdraw to CEX, which is your centralized exchange, like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin and the rest, and also your DEX, which is you can call this like your Tonkeeper, your Trust Wallet, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. Now when they drop this right here, you guys already noticed right now that they started removing some accounts that basically violated everything right here, guys. That is, violated their whole that violated their rules and all. Now on April 2nd, guys, remember 31st was supposed to be the TGE, but due to all of these issues that basically came up as to people creating multiple account bots and all, right, they went ahead to start making certain things to actually work out, right? And on April 2nd, they showed the agent points on fire, right? And if you go ahead and read it up right here, it shows here, important announcement: in the coming days we will begin burning agent points that were obtained through automation. That is, those who basically used automation right now to get this, probably you did some kind of things that were not supposed to be done, right? Also, those who belong to inactive users. Now, a lot of people actually signed up since last year but have not even checked their accounts. They gave up on the project and all. So the project has been monitoring people's accounts to see if you've been logging in and doing a couple of things, right? And they stated here that if you've not been able to log in after for a long period of time, they'll be burning some of these points that you've actually accumulated in the past. Now they told us a way also that we can keep this token. It says here, to keep your agent points and be eligible for the airdrop, there are about 2 things, but personally I like to call it 3 things that you must do. Number 1, you need to log into the app by April 15th. I'm making this video right now on April 11th, so in 4 days time, just set an alarm. Make sure you log in on April 15th right now. Now when you log in on April 15th, you need to show activity. Now what are those activities that you must show right now? You need to complete a couple of tasks on the platform, right? There are tasks that you can actually do on the platform. Also, make sure, the third thing, to me personally, this one is actually the most important, because as you guys know, this platform, they partnered up with BitGet. BitGet is currently a large exchange. Everyone actually knows BitGet and all, and most likely this coin is going to be listed on BitGet first. BitGet will most likely be the first centralized exchange that this coin is going to be listed on. Now mind you, if you've not done this, come directly to this one that is called withdraw to wallet. Once you click on that, make sure that you have actually linked up your BitGet wallet already on the platform, because like I said, that's where these tokens will be listed. You can see it, sign up to BitGet. I've already done that. Follow BitGet on X, done that already. They also want you to connect your Thorn wallet and all that stuff, guys. Just make sure that you have actually your account. Basically, if you've not done this, that is the third step right here. This is how you basically show activity on this platform. You can also come to this one that is called task. Now once you click on task, you're going to see a couple of tasks that you can actually do for yourself right here, guys. Basically, you can actually you can actually do a couple of things right here that are basically simple, right? And that's just what is currently up and running right here, basically. So the team has not said anything yet. Today's date is currently April 11th, but what we should actually be focusing on right now is what will be happening in the next 4 days, right? They've told us that we should log in the app by April 15th and basically show activity. So make sure that you've actually logged in that day. You can set an alarm right now on your calendar so that you are not kicked out of this project, probably because of inactivity and a couple of other things right here. So this is basically the video I have. I really wanted to share with you guys this update as to their listing date, guys. You guys already know that once the TGE is done and dusted, we will now start seeing notifications on the listing date on exchanges right now that also they will want to actually list on. So the first stage is the TGE. Right after the TGE would be when we would be receiving these points or these coins directly right now into our wallet. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get more updates like these, guys, right? That being said, don't forget we have a course in the description, one of the cheapest cryptocurrency course out there. You can use it to learn how to trade futures, sports, you can do DeFi, meme coins, a whole lot of things right there, guys. You can basically just learn as a complete beginner the whole blockchain system and how it actually works, right? Too, it's very, very cheap, less than $3. You can get that. Link is in the description. This is the video I have. I'll see you guys in the very next one.